Hi guys, in this video I'm going to talking about the single easiest passive income stream out there, and that is high interest rate savings accounts. Last month I made £200 from my high interest rate savings accounts, which literally took me less than 5 minutes to set up. In this video I'm going to be diving into what they are, why you should use them, and which ones I currently use. High interest rate savings account is my favorite type of passive income because it requires the least work to set up. So firstly, what is passive income? Passive income is money that is not directly tied to your time. For example, if you write a book, you putting all that work in up front to publish that book, and then every time it sells you earn money from royalties. This is in contrast to active income, which requires your time and effort to be able to earn money like a 9-to-5 corporate job.
Say you have £10,000 saved in a traditional savings account at 0.1 interest, then after 1 year you would have earned £10. Now say you decide to open up and save that £10,000 in a high interest rate savings account. At interest, then after 1 year you would have made £200, all from just taking out 5 minutes to set up your account. So why should you use it? First, it's completely risk-free. So if you put your money into a bank or an account that's regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, that means your money up to £85,000 is protected. So if anything happens to that bank or provider and it goes fast, then the government will just step in and make sure you get your money back.
The second thing is the interest you earn after a certain amount is completely tax-free. So if you're a basic rate taxpayer earning anything up to £50,000, then the interest you earn up to £1,000 is completely tax-free. If you're a higher rate taxpayer only between £50,000 and £150,000, then the interest you earn up to £500 is completely tax-free. And then you also have something called cash ISAs, which is a cash individual savings account, and you're able to put in £20,000 in there every year. And any interest you earn on that £20,000 is completely tax-free regardless of your personal income. The final reason to put your money into a high interest rate savings account is because it offsets the impact of inflation. So inflation is currently around the 2.5 mark, which essentially means that stuff costs 2% more than it did the year before.
If you put your money into a traditional savings account at 0.1 interest, then your money is going to be worth less and less over time, and you'll be losing out to inflation. So by taking out 5 minutes to set up a high interest rate savings account, you're protecting your money and offsetting the amount that your money is losing out to inflation. I'm a chartered accountant, and I love all things property and finance. I make weekly videos on how to make more money and save more money. So if that's for you, then please just subscribe. There are 4 types of high interest rate savings account, and the best one for you really depends on your situation. As a rule of thumb, the longer you lock your money in for, the higher the rate you're going to get.
First, you have easy access savings accounts, which typically pay around the 0.6 mark for short-term savings, like for holidays or gifts. They'll pay monthly instead of annually, allowing your money to grow. Next, you have notice savings accounts requiring advance notice before withdrawing, typically 30 days. These have higher interest rates of 1.1 to 1.5, depending on the account type. Lastly, there are fixed-rate savings accounts, useful for big purchases like houses or cars or saving for weddings. They pay around 2%, making sense to fixate on higher rates until needed, then put in flexible rate options like cash licenses for long-term savings of up to 2% with no fees. To find the best interest rate account, look for one with 0 maintenance fees, a long high interest rate period, and 0 fees. Ensure that the bank is regulated by the FCA to protect your savings in case of issues. It's crucial to consider the amount you can earn on top of the interest, often capped at £2,000. Look for a bank with a high interest rate starting and reducing over time, ensuring long-lasting advantages. Also, avoid unregulated banks for short-term funds, as they may face regulatory issues. For more information on investing and high-interest savings accounts, watch our upcoming video on this subject.